Good morning children, I am Mrs. Jennifer Susan Rogers from Isaac Newton School. Today we are going to learn life skill lessons. Okay children? So today we are going to learn the activity about the life skill lessons. Awareness and engagements of the five senses. What are these? We have got five senses in our body. Okay. So today we are going to learn the five senses which we use to in our day to day life. The five senses. What are the five senses? What are the five senses? Sight, hearing, taste, smell and touch. The activity focused on the functions and importance of the five senses in our body. First is sight. Sight means what? Sight means which we use our two eyes, which we see with our eyes. See, you can see this animation, two eyes, two eyeballs moving here and there. So, whatever we see in around us, we use our eyes to see. Second one. What is the second one? Can you guess what this puppy is doing? Can you guess the children? Yeah, the puppy is smelling the flower. So, this is the second sense of our body which we smell from our nose. Okay children? So, nose help us to smell the fragrance of the flower. The dog is smelling. So, we smell whatever it is. Smell not only the flower smell, scent smell, perfume, rose, whatever we smell from our nose. The third one, this is the taste. Taste means what? Whatever we eat means we have to taste, na? So, we taste with our tongue. Tongue is what? Yeah, this is our tongue. See this animation, this boy is tasting what? He's having lemon in his hand and he's tasting the lemon. So, we taste our food with our tongue. Now, this is the touch. Sense organs is the touch. When we are touching something, so it is called a touch feeling. Okay, we touch with the whatever things it is, we have to touch with our hands. So, this you can see this child hand touching what? Touching a plant. Whether it is a thorn, ice, whatever it is, we have to touch with our hand, fingers also. So, this is another sense organs. Then hearing. Hearing means we hear with our ear. Okay. We can hear musics and all that. Songs and all the playing here and there. From which we cannot hear with the eyes, nose and mouth and all that. We can hear with our ears only. Okay. So, see this over here all the animations are playing the musics and all that. And here the child is enjoying the musics, playing drums and all that. Here it is. One music I am going to show you children. You can see that music. You can play and hear it. This is the instrument. This is one side of instruments. If you play this one, you can hear this music. Can you hear it? See. So, we can hear this music with the help of our ears only. We cannot hear this music with the eyes, nose and mouth and all that. With the ear only, we can hear the music. Okay children? Students were encouraged to find different tactile materials in their homes, observe sweets and sour tastes, identify smells and identify different types of the sounds. The sensory organs associated with each sense. First thing is what? Hand. So, children, first thing is what? Hand. Hand, we touch anything it is with the help of our hand only. Okay. Whatever we are touching with the help of our hand only. Second is ear. Ear is, we can hear the musics, sounds, then the birds shouting, the dog barking, everything we can hear with the help of our ear only. Tongue. Tongue is the main thing, it is to taste food, whether it is hot, spicy, sweet. We eat gulab jam, so tasty it is na. So the tongue help us to taste the food, the taste, okay. Tongue is the most important thing to taste the food. Then nose. Nose help us to smell, the flower smell. If we have a rose flower in our hand, what we do? We smell, isn't it? We smell the fragrance of the rose. And then whatever food, if anyone keeping the food in front of you, what will do? We smell like that, because what it make? It attracts, the smell attracts us to eat that food. So the nose help us to smell. Then the eyes. Eyes help us. Eyes is the most important in our organs, because it helps us to see around us, what is going around us, what's happening. You can see with our eyes. These organs send information, whatever touching, watching, hearing, smelling, tasting, whatever, all the sense sends information to the brain. It sends the information to the brain that allow to observe and understand the world around us. So all the senses send information to the what? Inside the head it is what? Brain. It is very important. So all the information goes to the brain and it helps us to understand, it helps us to observe and understand the world around us. So the 5 senses. See children, this is the 5 senses. Sight for the eyes. See, we can see with the eyes. Smell is nose. We can smell, bad smell also, good smell also. Okay. So everything we can smell with the nose. Then hearing, we can hear with 2 ears. Music also, sounds also, bus sounds, horn sounds, everything. But we can hear it with our ears only. Then taste. Taste is a tongue taste. We taste the ice creams also, chocolate also, whatever it is, spicy, hot, salty, sour, whatever it is, we taste from our tongue. Then the last is touch, skin. Touch means we have a skin on our hands and all that, isn't it children? So the skin and the hand help us to touch anything. If I am touching the board, that is also touch sense only. It sends out information to the brain and then we will see, oh, we are touching it. Okay children. So these are the 5 senses. First is what? Sight, eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These are the most important part of our body, sense organs. Okay. So I hope children you enjoyed these sessions. Thank you children. Next session we will join again. Thank you children.